Here is how you can quickly see who viewed your Facebook profile in 2023 or 2024. So first you have to open the Facebook app. Whether you're using Facebook or Facebook Lite on an Android or iPhone, this works. Click on your profile picture at the top. Now scroll down, click these three dots at the right side. Now once you scroll down, you click turn on professional mode. Now once you turn on professional mode, you want to click turn on at the bottom. Now once you click turn on, you wait, and then you scroll down, and this don't matter, so you go back. And once you go back, you can see that your friends have been converted to your followers. Now to see who viewed your profile, you want to click on see dashboard. Now this is the new Facebook update, so that's why it's like this. Click get started. Now once you've clicked get started, you want to click on insight, which is at the top right. So once you've clicked insight, when you click see all beside performance, you will see a button which says profile views. But for now, Facebook has recently updated and changed the profile visits feature. You can't see it again. So please subscribe if this helped you. Thanks for watching.